In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can trim a video before posting it to your Instagram story. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up Instagram and tapping that plus icon in the middle of your screen, or if you're on the new update, you're just going to need to hit the plus icon up in the top left of your screen. And essentially at the bottom, go ahead and select Reel. Now choose whatever video you want to go ahead and edit. Let's just say I want to edit this video right here. Go ahead and select it and then hit Next. And from here, tap Edit Video. Now what you're going to want to do is just go through this screen right here and essentially just adjust it however much you would like. Let's just say I want to adjust it to look, I guess, something like this. Way shorter so that you just see like this direct cut, I guess, between these two feeds. There's a bunch of stuff you could do on here. You could tap split, you can make another split, you could select the section in between and then you could delete it. Whenever you are done trimming though, go ahead and just swipe down on this preview to go to a page that looks something like this. Then scroll over to the very right of this section and tap this little save icon. From here, all you have to do is wait for it to load and then back out of this section by going back to the start over section and then hitting X. And from here, just tap on your little profile, find that new video, and you'll be able to post this directly to your story with it edited. Now you can also add text, tags, stickers, whatever you want on this section. And whenever you're ready, just hit post. And boom, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would just help with the channel, let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.